What's going on, guys? Today we finally picked up some heads and it's time to get them clean. Okay, so here's the heads we picked up. I already went ahead and cleaned and painted this one just to see how they looked. These are the G7, or what are these heads? E7s? So these are going to be the E7 heads. They aren't the exact ones we wanted. We wanted GT40s, but we found these for really cheap and they'll work for now. They're not the best flowing heads, but we'll go ahead and maybe do some port work on them. And they're going to give us about 9:1 compression, which will be alright for a turbo build. The GT40s will bring it down to, I think, 8:1. But we'll do this for now. I'm going to upgrade everything on here, help out a little bit. As well as cleaning up the heads and getting them ready, we're going to bring the engine over to the shop. We couldn't find the cam bearing removal tools, so we're going to have the shop do that. We have everything for them. We're just going to bring it down, drop it off. Let them do that real quick. It's easy. So just don't know how much it's gonna be. We'll see. Load it up. Let's head out. Alright, so here are the Cleveite bearings we have for them. Yep. We could not find the tool to install these, so that's why we're doing this. So we went ahead and dropped the engine block off. It's gonna be about $40, $50 to get that done, but it will be done and we can move on because we have pretty much everything to build the short block. Now we're going to get to finishing the other head. You see I got half of it in the bucket right now soaking. I'm going to flip it over and soak the other half, and then we can start polishing up. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and paint this up. I went ahead and masked all of this off. Just got to finish up some more, and then we'll go ahead and spray it. I'm going to do a adhesive promoter first on it, and then the engine paint. It's the same engine paint we're going to use for the main block once we get that back. guys, and here we are. I've already got some protection on here. I gotta go ahead and lube this up, make sure nothing starts rusting. I got the pistons, they're ready to go in. Just waiting. All nice and clean now. I do have an intercooler now for the build, and give you a quick update. So here's the plan right now. We have the forged Mustang pistons. We're going to use the stock cam. We're not going to spend the money on any of the cams. If there's anyone with an F303 cam, let us know. That's pretty much the only one we're going to use if we upgrade from stock. And we're going to go ahead and use these E7 heads, at least for now, unless we find some GT40s for cheap enough, but these were 40 bucks, so we couldn't really turn it down. And it'll give us a decent compression ratio. The GT40s, like I said earlier, would be I think 8 to 1. These are 9 to 1. I think what we're going to do is go ahead and switch out that turbo. Not going to go and run that. To run it, I think we have to change out the exhaust side to something that I can't remember the name of it now, but just a little bit smaller of a exhaust side, because it's going to take forever to spool up that massive turbo. We have everything set and ready to go. The only thing I need now are head studs. I got the main studs, and we have, I think, pretty much all the bolts just to go back. So now it's just up to the machine shop. I'm hoping tomorrow they get this done, and then we can start. Alright guys, so that's currently where we're at right now. I hope the next video for the 5.0 build will be to assemble the short block and get everything ready for the final stretch. So yeah, go ahead and give us a like if you liked everything. Give us a comment, and go ahead and share the video if you want. That'd be great. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.